How to make custom stickers on WhatsApp. First of all, launch WhatsApp application on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Tap on the particular conversation where you want to make custom stickers on WhatsApp and send to that user. Now tap on smiley icon next to message and here select the sticker icon at top right corner of the screen. And here you need to tap on create your own sticker button. You can use your photos to make stickers. Now select the image of the picture which you want to set as the stickers. So once it loads, you can easily select the real image or you can also choose another image as stickers. Once you have selected, you can easily add the stickers, text and doodles from top of the screen. So you can tap on the sticker icon at top right corner and use the stickers as well. Once you have done, tap on the arrow icon at bottom right corner of the screen and then your sticker has already been made and you have sent it successfully to that user. So that is it. I hope this video worked. Thank you for watching.